Hey guys, Dr. Colby here. Hope everyone had a great Memorial Day weekend. Hopefully you were safe and had time to spend with your family. I'm at the office today doing some administrative work, and I came across an article in the Journal of Neuroinflammation. This is actually a medical journal, and it's one of the world's leading neuroscience journals. And the thing about a peer-reviewed journal is that it is repeatable and reproducible. So this isn't based on someone's opinion, it's based on scientific fact. Again, this is a medical journal, and the title of this article is Multiple Organ Dysfunction and Systemic Inflammation After Spinal Cord Injury, a Complex Relationship. In the abstract, it talks about spinal cord injury is a devastating event that results in significant physical disabilities for affected individuals. Apart from local injury with the spinal cord, a spinal cord injury patients develop a variety of complications characterized by multiple organ dysfunction or failure. These disorders, such as neurogenic pain, depression, lung injury, cardiovascular disease, liver damage, kidney dysfunction, urinary tract infections, and increased susceptibility to pathogen infection, are common in injured patients, hinder functional recovery, and can even be life-threatening. Multiple lines of evidence point to a pathological connections emanating from the spinal cord. Post-injury systemic inflammation and immune system suppression as important multifunctional mechanisms underlying post-spinal cord complications. What does all that mean in English? Well, chiropractic has been speaking to this topic for 125 years now, and putting it in simpler terms, everyone wants to be healthy, right? If I ask any of you if you want to be 100% well or something less, I've yet to meet anybody that said, I'll take some 80%. Well, what this is talking about here is where there's damage, a spinal cord injury, there's some sort of damage to the cord, the interference from the brain to the body through the nerve system, right up here, right? The nerve system transmits signals from the brain to the cells, tissues, and organs in the body. Now, we describe a condition of the spine where the spine is misaligned from a spinal bone misaligned as a subluxation. A subluxation interferes with the transmission of mental impulses, maybe not to the extent of a spinal cord injury, but certainly if this journal is accurate, which it is, it's saying that damage to the cord damages the transmission of impulses to the organs, which causes cardiovascular disease, liver damage, kidney dysfunction, and so forth. So if we're walking around due to or affected by traumas, car accidents, whiplash injuries, slip and falls, even the birth process, or a day in the life of a 2-year-old. I remember with my children, just falling off the bed, falling on the floor. If I could put bones back into alignment with my fingertips, imagine what the kids are doing to themselves, jumping off the beds and so forth. So that's why we talk about it's so critical for children to be checked. They seem like they're well, they seem okay, but they're having asthma or allergies or even headaches with kids or back pain and so forth. So none of these are a natural state. Health is a natural state. So if you're experiencing any of these things, I would encourage you to look to your chiropractor and make sure that you're getting your spine checked regularly, very much like your teeth. You brush your teeth 2 times a day, and not just when your teeth are healthy, but all the time to keep them well. So just a little reminder about the beauty, the magnificence of the body and how it has the ability to heal and function as long as there's no interference. And the role of a chiropractor is to scientifically analyze, locate, and correct vertebral subluxation, especially before the condition becomes chronic, because then it takes a significant amount of time to reverse that damage to the spine, the joints, and the nervous system, which cause dis-ease, weakness, or imbalance. So just wanted to touch base with you guys and share that information. I was pretty amazed by it, and hopefully you are too. Essentially, make sure you're getting adjusted. Make sure that your spine is functioning optimally, because the choices that you make now in your life, or your health choices, are going to dictate the quality of your life later. Love and appreciate you guys. We'll talk soon. Ciao.